But even today, people around the world do eat eggs of different kinds of birds. What other kinds of eggs have people tried eating before?
Now, ostriches lay the biggest eggs on Earth, officially.
Ostriches are the largest bird in the world, so it might not be surprising that their eggs are the biggest of any egg laid by any animal on Earth.
It's only 2% of female birds' overall weight. Farmers breed the birds and collect eggs from the female ostriches to sell them. Cooking and eating them is a chore, so you're unlikely to have them for breakfast every day. Their shell is extremely thick. Boiling the egg will take almost 90 minutes. But it doesn't stop some gourmets from buying and cooking this delicacy.